Siddharth from class 8. Madurai Sangeeta question. Goes to class nursery. What is the color of your hair? I repeat my question. What is the color of your hair? Black is the right answer. My second question goes to class LKG. Which sensor organ is used to taste? I repeat my question. Which sensor organ is used to taste? Tongue is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. Which sensor organs help us to breathe? Nose is the right answer. My fourth question goes to class 1. Name the longest river of India. Ganga is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. Who was the missile man of India? I repeat my question. Who was the missile man of India? This question passes to class 2 to 5. APJ Abdul Kalam is the right answer. My sixth question goes to class 3. Name the tallest grass in the world. I repeat my question. Name the tallest grass in the world. This question passes to class 3 to 6. Dragon bamboo is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. Name the largest waterfall in the world. I repeat my question. Name the largest waterfall in the world. This question passes to class 4 to 7. Angel Sword is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. Area of circle. I repeat my question. Area of circle. Fire square is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 6. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. What is the full form of IUCN? I repeat my question. What is the full form of IUCN? This question passes to class 7 to 10. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. Volume of cylinder is? I repeat my question. Volume of cylinder is? Pi square is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. Who invented Richter scale? I repeat my question. Who invented Richter scale? This question passes to class 10. Who invented Richter scale? Charles Francis Richter is the right answer. My 13th question goes to class 10. How many biosphere reserve in India? I repeat my question. How many biosphere is reserved in